we are baking, and I love making these videos because I don't have the best track record with like making things turn out well or pretty. So we're gonna try. Today I will be attempting to make these butter and jam thumbprint cookies that I found the recipe off of from Food Network, and I chose it because it was in the holiday section and it looked like the easiest thing to make. So follow me along as I try to make these cookies. Hopefully they turn out just like the picture. I don't have high hopes though. So here's my workplace. I tried to be super neat and get everything out beforehand. So I have a measuring cup, vanilla extract, salt, which I don't think I'm gonna use because I have salted butter when the recipe called for unsalted, but this is just all I have right now. Baking powder, an egg, of course we have flour, sugar, some mixing bowls, and cherry jam. This stuff is so good. Then I have these baking trays, and you're supposed to line them with paper, but I only did this one because I think this one's like really big and I think it'll be enough and I don't want to waste paper, but maybe we'll end up using that. So first thing is heat the oven to 350. I can do that. There we go. Hopefully we can get everything done before it reaches 350. So as you can see, I already made a mess when I was trying to form my flour, but it's okay because we will clean it up. Yeah, and I see my mom complaining in the background. But yeah, sometimes life isn't perfect. And oh boy. So gotta clean this up now. All right, so I cleaned that mess up, and I have how much? A cup and 3/4 of flour, and I did not say that right, but that is going to be going in here, and then now we're going to be putting the flour away so I don't dump it all over my kitchen again. And then I'm going to be putting half teaspoon of baking powder and probably like one screw of salt because I don't want it to be overly salty. And we're going to mix that together before we go over to the big mixer to cream together our sugar and butter. So now I'm putting 2/3 a cup of sugar and 1.5 sticks of butter in the mixer and combining it. I love this part because it's super easy and really hard to mess up. I made my dough, and now it's time to roll them out. That's why I have an ice cream scooper to help me, and it's very interesting. So you like have a ball of dough and you put it in sugar, and then you like make the thumb indentation, and then you put the jam in it. Also, the oven went off like 20 minutes ago, so I am very behind schedule, but this should be interesting. I'm very excited about it. I don't know if this is what it's supposed to look like because it's not like super smooth, but hopefully it works. So this is the first one I made. I put the sugar back in the measuring cup because I didn't want to like wash extra dishes. So I think I'm gonna make all of these and then fill it with jam. But it looks super cute right now, so I'm excited. Alright, so I just finished rolling them and putting the jam in. I'm gonna do the last one on camera so I can show you guys, but not perfect because I don't like perfect baking. I think it takes away the charm. So I started off using an ice cream scooper, and then I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make them all different sizes, which is not good for baking, but Hopefully the jam does not overflow. These were super easy and super fun to make, and I'm putting them in the oven for 15 minutes. Yeah, let me just do this last one on camera just to show you. Now I'm going to clean all of my dirty dishes and put all the ingredients away, so hopefully when I bring the cookies out in 15 minutes, all of that will be done and the time will pass by faster. Alright, so the timer just went off, but I don't think they're ready at all. Oh my god, it's also overflowing. So this is what it looks like right now. Kind of a fail, kind of look good. I'm gonna bake them for an extra 5 minutes, I think. Yeah. So this is the end product. We ended up putting them in for 23 minutes instead of 15, and as you can tell, they look absolutely disastrous. I mean, it's gonna be good because like you can't really mess up the ingredients, but it like here, let me just pull up a picture of what it was supposed to look like and then we can compare. All right, so here's the comparison. Honestly, you know, not great, but I think it's still gonna be good. Oh my god. All right, taste test time. So this is the one that I'm having. Hopefully it tastes good. We'll see. It's really good. It probably tastes better than the ones in the picture. So, it was a success. Thanks for following me around on my disastrous baking journey that didn't actually end up so disastrous because it tastes really, really good.